There he is, ladyfish, ladies and gentlemen. Nice, dude. Awesome catch, bro.
Wanna do your thing?
Got him.
We've all caught a fish.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, we usually, the past couple days, we've been getting just some little catfish.
Yep.
So these live shrimp really, because we normally fish with frozen shrimp.
Yep.
Can't take it out.
Here. Yeah, live shrimp is the key, dude.
Yeah. That's a good sized fish.
It is. Really nice ladyfish, dude.
Ladyfish aren't good eating fish, huh?
No, a bunch of like bones, just like tarpon.
Right. Okay.
Try to use the hook as leverage and pop. Ooh, there you go.
Thank you.
Yep. Got it? Of course.
That's all the shrimpies over there?
That's it.
All right.
There you go, bro.
My hand?
Yeah, of course. They got a snot on them, dude.
Yeah, they do. They're gross. And do you not want the bucket?
No, you can have the bucket. No, you guys are good, dude.
So
Yeah,
much.
of course.
Way too generous.
Nah, you're good, bro. Like I said, I wish somebody would have did it for me, dude.
Right. We'll make sure we pass it over to somebody else.
Yeah, if anything, dude, you know, subscribe, bro.
Yeah.
You know, follow the channel, dude. That's all. That's all I can ask, man.
Especially on the Spotify because I like listening to podcasts.
Awesome, dude.
Look at all the shrimp we got.
Thank you again.
Yeah.
Oh, of course, guys.